We've covered transformations of graph in an earlier section in this course, and now we're going to briefly cover it with rational functions. So recall, a negative coefficient is a reflection across the x-axis. Positive coefficient, vertical stretching. Fraction, vertical compression. The h value is your horizontal translation to the left or to the right, and it's always opposite what it seems. I'm going to use the form of x minus h to help illustrate that using the positive number 3. So if I put a positive number 3 here, that's going to become x minus 3, which is a shift to the right anytime you plug in a number that's greater than 0. On the other hand, if I were to plug in a negative 3 here, a negative but with a negative in front of it becomes plus 3. So x plus 3, any number you plug in that's less than 0, when it becomes plus, you're going to actually shift it to the left. Vertical, what you see is what you get. A plus some number is shift up, minus some number is a shift down. Here we have the parent function 1 over x that has undergone 2 transformations. Here we have a horizontal shift, and even though it may seem x minus 4, that is 4 units to the left, it is not. It is rather 4 units to the right. And then we have our vertical shift 3 units up. So the graph of 1 over x, recall it is normally in quadrant 1 and 3, so you're looking for that. Now shift it 4 units to the right and then 3 units up, and that would be choice D. Here we have the parent function 1 over x again, but this time with the negative in front of it. It indicates that there was a reflection there across the x-axis. And in the back here, you have a vertical shift of 2 units down. Now, normally the parent function itself is always in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 3, the branches or the hyperbolas. But when you reflect it, it's going to kind of invert it to where it's going to now be in quadrant 2 and 4. So that's what you're looking for. And then shifting it 2 units down, which is going to be choice C. Lastly, we have the parent function 1 over x squared. This function is always in quadrant 1 and 2, and it sort of looks like a steeple of a church that's going up toward positive infinity. So here we have a horizontal shift 2 units to the right, and then a vertical shift 1 unit up. So horizontal 2 units to the right, and 1 unit up would be choice A.